I used to struggle to make ends meet till I discovered one secret, and that is side hustles. In this video, I'm going to share 8 side hustles that can boost your income so fast. Some require zero experience, and others can actually replace your job. And among the 8, side hustle number 2 and side hustle number 8 are my favorites because I've tried them out and made good money. My name is Dre. I'm the founder and CEO of Finance Cure, a channel where I give you the tips, tools, and strategies to help you navigate your financial journey and attain financial success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Without further ado, let's dive in. Now, side hustle number 1 are what we call digital products. These are intangible goods that are created, sold, and delivered online without physical contact. These include ebooks, audiobooks, mobile apps, video games, software, music, mockups, online courses, and many others. This can be streamed, downloaded, and accessed through various digital platforms. Now, this is one side hustle that you can try out. Just create one of those products and sell it online. And the advantage with these products is they can be replicated many times without extra production costs, which makes them more scalable. So this is one side hustle that you can try out and make good money. Now, side hustle number 2 is what we call online reselling. Now, this is the process of buying a product at a lower price and selling it for a higher price online. Now, this is one of my favorite side hustles because I've tried it out and made good money from it. Online selling falls into 4 categories. 1 is retail arbitrage, 2 is flipping, 3 is wholesale reselling, and 4 is drop shipping. You can specialize in one of those categories and make good money. The advantage with online reselling is it requires little or even no investment. So long as the suppliers can trust you with their products, you sell and return the money. Another advantage with online reselling is it is flexible. You can initiate a sale from anywhere so long as you have internet on your phone. And another advantage is there are higher chances of making a high profit in case you're good at pricing and in case you get good and reliable products. But it also has its own challenges. For example, it is highly competitive. There is a lot of competition selling online. Another challenge is getting reliable and good products that can satisfy your customers. Then the other challenge are platform fees. These platforms that help you resell your products charge a certain fee. But regardless, you can still try it out and make good money. I've made good money reselling stuff online. I started with shoes, I went to garments, and I've made extra bucks from this side hustle. Side hustle number 3 is video editing. This includes filming and photography. The rising number of content creators creates a demand for video editors. Businesses, creators, and influencers pay high fees for this skill because content has become a big component in the media industry and not everyone can edit their content. Now, this is a skill that you can learn within 3 to 5 months if you're really interested in it. So this is one skill that you can try out and make good money. It only needs networking and marketing yourself. Once you get one customer and make good work for him or her, that will be the hope for you. That one person can recommend you to many others, and in the end, you'll make good money. And the advantage with video editing is you can do it in your free time. Side hustle number 4 is graphics designing. This goes hand in hand with video editing. Content creators need graphics for their videos. For example, logos, social media graphics, promotional materials, and many others. This is another skill that you can specialize in and make good money. And by the way, this can turn into a full-time job. I have friends who are surviving off graphics design. They make graphics for companies, influencers, and businesses. Side hustle number 5 is building websites. Side hustle number 5 is building websites for people. This is a high-paying skill you can try. Websites are always on demand and business owners are willing to pay for this service. And website building is super easy these days, especially with hosting, because it has an AI website builder, which makes it easy and simple to create a website. So you can try out this side hustle and still make good money. Side hustle number 6 is teaching, and this covers tutorials and coaching services. Now, in the world today, there are many things that you can teach. For example, you can teach languages, you can teach public speaking, you can teach writing, you can teach playing instruments. I know people who are making good money from this skill. People who teach others to play instruments, they make good money. Coaches in the area of sports, I know coaches who are highly paid just coaching people how to play certain games. So teaching is one of the highly paying side hustles that you can try out. And side hustle number 7 is writing. This is also a high paying skill that can bring in some good money. Here you can write project proposals, you can write music, you can write movie scripts, you can write presentations and sell them and make good money. This is one side hustle that you can try out in case you're skilled in one of those areas. And finally, side hustle number 8 is investing or day trading. Now, this is my favorite side hustle. I got introduced to this skill a few years ago, and this is basically investing or trading on the stock market. There are 3 ways that you can make money on the stock market. 1 is you can invest long term. 2 is you can swing trade. And 3 is you can day trade. Now, this involves buying shares in good companies. You can buy shares in video companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, and many others. Or you can invest your money in ETFs like the S&P 500, QQQ, and many other ETFs. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in the next one.